Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples. So if you want to build your faith, just follow me. And if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 20 from verse 29 to verse 34. When Jesus did a left Jericho, one bag of people follow back at him. 2 blind men did a sit down at the roadside, a beg. When them hear say Jesus a pass through, them shout out, Lord, David Pickney, take pity upon we. Do. The people them tell them to shut them out and tap their eyes. But at that time they start shout out, Lord, David Pickney, take pity upon we. Do. Jesus stop. Him call them and say, when you want me for do for no? Them say to him, say, Lord, open up we eye them. Do. Jesus feels sorry for them and touch them eye. Perhaps them eye get better and them coulda see. And the man them follow Jesus. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.